Imagine discovering that even science doesn't have all the answers. There are mysteries so deep, they challenge everything we know. And the worst part? They're real. Today we'll talk about truly terrifying things that science still can't explain. Get ready to feel uncomfortable, because none of this is fiction. You'll question whether the world is really what it seems. Let's start with an ancient enigma. The sounds of the ocean. In 1997, NOAA recorded a deep sound in the Pacific called the bloop. It was so loud, it was detected over 5,000 kilometers away. Theories range from ice breaking to a colossal unknown organism. To this day, no one has definitively proven what caused the bloop. From the sky come sprites, gigantic red lightning bolts stretching kilometers above storms. Though they've been filmed, science still can't fully explain how they form or predict when they'll appear. Spectacular and strange electrical phenomena that defy our understanding of the atmosphere. Another chilling case is spontaneous human combustion, bodies found almost completely burned while nearby objects remain untouched. Scientists suggest rare chemical reactions, but no experimental proof exists. Each investigation raises more questions, making this one of the biggest forensic taboos. There's also the mysterious hum, a low rumble only part of the population hears in places like Taos, New Mexico. Instruments can't clearly record it. Theories range from industrial to geological or psychological causes, but no one has managed a definitive explanation for this decades-old mystery. In space, fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are incredibly powerful pulses from billions of light-years away. Some are one-offs. Others repeat in strange patterns. Hypotheses include magnetars or advanced civilizations, but none explain all the data. It's as if the universe is sending messages we can't yet decipher. On Earth, there are legends like the Naga fireballs, glowing orbs rising from the Mekong River into the sky. Many think they're burning gas, but measurements fail to confirm sufficient concentrations. The phenomenon happens every year, leaving scientists and locals without a conclusive answer. Gravity anomalies like gravity hills make cars seem to roll uphill on their own. Optical illusions explain some spots, but in others, compasses spin wildly and instruments give conflicting readings. Strange places where even level measurements seem to fail, challenging simple explanations. And what about the Black Death? It killed millions in medieval Europe, long blamed on Yersinia pestis, spread by fleas on rats. But ancient DNA sometimes doesn't match the modern bacterium, and mortality patterns varied oddly. Was it really Yersinia, or something still unknown? A reminder that even our plagues aren't fully explained. In caves around the world, ancient rock art shows figures with huge heads and black eyes. Researchers suggest shamanic symbolism, but others see depictions of unknown visitors. Science can't fully explain every detail, leaving this a fascinating archaeological mystery. And the megaliths of ancient civilizations like Pumapunku challenge engineering. Stones weighing hundreds of tons were moved and fitted with razor-thin precision. While ramps and levers explain some of it, many techniques have been lost, making it almost impossible to replicate today. And what about collective lucid dreams? Strangers on online forums describe the same corridors, rooms, and cities. Psychologists suggest universal archetypes, but the detailed similarities are striking. It's like there's a shared dream world that science still can't study or explain completely. Near-death experiences remain a great mystery. Patients describe leaving their bodies, floating, seeing lights, and feeling peace, even when their brain shows no electrical activity. Some report impossible details. Neurologists have theories, but there's no single answer that fits all these accounts. Déjà vu is equally fascinating and unsettling. The vivid sense of having lived a moment before may be memory glitches, but why so real? Some people even report predicting accidents seconds before. The line between coincidence and premonition remains something science hasn't fully defined. These are just a few examples of how science, for all its power, is humble enough to admit it doesn't have every answer. Maybe we'll never explain everything. Maybe some truths are scarier than any myth. Would you have the courage to uncover the unknown, or prefer to believe we already know it all? The world is full of secrets waiting to be revealed, but be careful. Some questions have no answer, and that's what makes them terrifying.